Hi guys, so good evening, welcome back to my magical world. It's me, Frostbite, your favorite celebrity here in the Philippines. I'm a little bit of mess tonight kasi, I'm a little bit sleepy. No, not little bit. I'm sleepy. It's July 3rd of the year 2024 and it's Wednesday today. So, matatapos na yung araw. As I've told you, I'm gonna be finishing what I wasn't able to finish kanina. So, deep breath muna kayo guys, ha? Hanapin ko muna yung page. Okay. All eyes and all ears on me first. Medyo nantok na talaga tayo. But I told you that I'm gonna be here with you tonight. So, although bukas naman ito mga upload. Kasi, gi-edit pa. Okay? So, don't worry about my hair. It's okay. So, kinky treasure chest. How far you take your fetish play is entirely down to your own preferences. However, if you are looking for a guide as to what kit you might need, should you decide to explore the darker side in more detail, the following list may help. First is insertables. From pot plugs to vibrators and beyond, having things that can be stuck in orifices is always good for a giggle. If you're a kid that are watching me, so have some parental guidance. So, so kasi, di ba, you should be listening to me when your brain is fully developed na. Okay? So just remember never to use toys anally unless they are designed for the purpose with a flared base or string for ease of removal. You don't want an embarrassing trip to A&E. Well, not unless you're really into humiliation. So, when you're using these things, guys, be very extra careful kasi, syempre, all of these things comes when you, paano ba, pag piniga mo yung mga bagay-bagay, integrity and your principles will, ano mo yun, yung the very self of you. Nantok na ako guys, so kung ano man yung masabi kong not okay or kayo na lang mag-adjust guys. Filter nyo na lang whatever the things that I say, okay? Next is bandage kit. Handcuffs, ankle cuffs, and ropes are all great for restraint. You may also want to invest in especially designed straps to fit over a door or over a bed or attach a hook in the ceiling to bind your lover more securely. So gags, hoods, and blindfolds, not for everyone, but if you want to keep your slave quiet or keep his senses confused, stock your toy box with one or more of these. Okay? Clamps, from clothes pegs to vibrating nipple clamps, things that can pinch can be fun, and think how innocent that bulldog clip will look when holding your bills together in the kitchen. Next is fluggers, whips, paddles, and canes. Again, selecting your weapon is a matter of personal preference. Again, but whether you want a mild sting or bright red wheels across your back, there is a whole array available to choose from. So, there are a lot of things out there as a store. Explore, explore, explore. At be responsible, ha. Just don't use items, products that are really beneficial to you. Wag naman yung things that you can take responsibility at the end of the day. Okay, so choose wisely and pleasurably. Tama ba yung term? Guys, I'm so sleepy. So, May pinapakinggan pa akong podcast aside from this. But ano na muna. Hindi ko ata yun matatapos. Meron pa ditong another subtopic. Credit crunch, kink. So once you start exploring kinky, you may find that you want to push your boundaries even further. The good news is that it doesn't have to break the bank. If you are on a budget, it doesn't mean you have to miss out on any of the fun. It just takes a little more effort and creativity. Cling, fi- Cling film provides cheap and easy bondage material, and ice cubes can also be surprisingly vicious if used effectively. Candles or phallic vegetables such as courgettes. Tama ba? Hindi ko sure kung tama yung pronunciation, guys. Yun, check it. Okay, kasi I'm a little bit drunk with sleepiness. Dali. Tamo, I'm lost. Dali lang. Wala tayo, guys. Come back. Yes. So, ayan. Can be used, courgettes can be used as surrogate dildos if you cover them with a condom before use. Use scarves and ties to make blindfolds and bonds. Opt for the humble clothes peg as a nipple clamp. Substitute and check out your local riding shop for discount whips. Nakakaya naman kung magdi-discount pa kayo nito, no? When it comes to spanking paddles, you've got a host of options from hairbrushes to ping pong butts, rulers to tennis rackets, and of course, you can always go for the old bare hand spanking as the cheapest possible solution. BDSM is at least 50% in the mind as long as you can set the mood and administer the punishment. Or pay your dues, there is no need for you to spend a penny. We're done, guys. I'm gonna read the last part to you when I have an ample time. Quality time. Ample amount of time. Okay, so matulog na tayo, and thank you for having me tonight and for tuning to my channel. The only thing that you need to do here is just like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Tama ba? Ayun na, guys, bahala na kayo. Matulog na tayo, okay? Good night, and thank you guys for listening. Thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation. I am so drunk with Antok. Okay? Tulog na. Good night.